look at the stuff that is still there, like D-ring. Okay, start it. So you have to push the button. Slower. Okay, I guess that's the noise it makes, huh? Shall we take the batteries out? Okay. Oh, difficult to take the batteries out. Okay. Now let's see. This is all in perfect working order. Yes? Okay. I guess this goes here. Does it? Like this? Yeah? This goes here. Okay. I don't know, I had some trouble taking it off. Maybe it's not tight, maybe it's not on tight enough. Okay, be careful with the ring, careful with the ring. Does it need to be on a little bit more?
Just a little.
Screw tighter. Ah, there it is. Okay. See? All safe and sound. Okay, well, I guess that's about it, huh?